2017 F-350.
2017 F-350.
Great.
Because it saved us from buying new trucks because we were looking for the newer technology and you guys provided for it.
Mm-hmm. Wanted the upgrades, wanted the whistles, and and Merge Screens provided that.
Mm-hmm.
Really happy.
Awesome side.
Competitive price and the larger screen, honestly. So it was, yes, it was just a little bit more, but you've got way more value. Larger screen. So like I said, we looked at other companies and they only offered the 10 or 11-inch screen. You guys had the 14.
Plus, we're discovering more and more things that we can do with it. It's the technology is evolving as we're learning how to use it, and it's become an asset.
Yeah, I'd never heard of merge screens before. It was a leap of faith. It was, I've heard of other companies, infotainment and stuff like that. They're an integrated system. It's not a tablet. So it was a little bit different, and honestly, the customer service that you guys provided made me a believer in it. I really, really had a good experience with the customer service from you guys. Really did.
I thought that something this nice was going to be in the $3,000 a piece range.
Right.
Okay. We have a big camper and we'll hook it to the truck and we're gone for a week, 10 days. We've been on the road for over a month sometimes. Okay. So to have the larger screen with the nav system that you can see, okay, makes a big difference. I had a little Garmin that set up here on the dash. It blocked my view and you couldn't see, you know. This is a whole lot clearer, a lot better system. I really like it. So my phone is playing Sirius XM and it's on my screen now.
Yeah.
And you have a whole lot more options than just the Sirius XM that comes with the truck. Installation was seamless, no problem, no issues. Okay, Chris with what was the name of the install? Slider Custom. He came to our job site. We were productive that day. We didn't have to take time off and go to a shop. He came to our job site, installed it. We were still working. He was about a half an hour each truck, and the product is phenomenal. Mm-hmm. Very happy with the customer service. Like Danny said, when he ordered them, you guys called in to make sure that we didn't make a double order by mistake. We had an issue with one of the cameras, and customer services promised to send us a new camera. So, I mean, it's been seamless, no problem at all. We've been very happy with the customer service. It's prompt, and we felt like you guys paid attention.
Awesome.
The size of it. I'm 62 years old. My eyes are getting old. All right. I can see this. Well, the backup camera is big enough to where the screen is big enough when I put it in reverse, the backup camera, I can see what's behind me. Okay. For hooking up trailers, for backing out of a parking lot. Okay. It's a good safety feature. I like it. This isn't available with the manufacturer of the vehicle. Okay, that would be awesome. If you would give this as an accessory option with the manufacturer, this would be awesome. This would go like gangbusters. Ford told me that was not possible. My truck came with the Sync 1 system, that it would take the Sync 4 system, and they were not able to change out the system to put the bigger screen in. They told me I had to buy a new truck.
Okay.
Definitely would recommend you. We have had no issues with it, but come and talk to me in 10 years and I'll tell you what I think of it.
Top notch. top notch, really was. If I had an issue or if I had a question, I was able to contact Merge Screens. Believe I spoke to Dylan mostly. He did personal service, was outstanding, really was. Contacted me, made sure this was the screen that I wanted, made sure that I didn't double order, because we had ordered one for both trucks on the same day, going to different addresses. Looked sketchy. I understand that. I was really happy to receive that phone call and say, hey, was this a mistake, or is this what you needed? So it was really great. That I can download the plans from the internet for our bridge company. I can view them on this. It's a tablet. So because I have a Wi-Fi box in the truck makes its own wireless internet all the time. Like, I don't use the cell phone service. My phone does Wi-Fi calling. I'm able to download the plans onto the tablet and then send them to the printer and print plans. To Find My Mobile app was something that I just found the other day because I had left my phone on a job site. The truck took me to my phone. And I looked at it back the other way. God forbid somebody gets my truck, I can find it on my phone. Like, I can find this screen. And unless somebody knows that it's in there and turns it off, you have a GPS tracker on your vehicle all the time. I'm not tech savvy enough is what I don't like. It's a tablet. I've never had a tablet. Okay. I do tuning and diagnostics for vehicles and equipment. I'm learning now how to do that while I'm sitting in the AC instead of being out in the hot sun through this. I'm not tech savvy enough yet to make full use of it. Absolutely. No, I absolutely would recommend you guys. I don't have any why nots. I really don't. Everybody that I've showed it to wants it.
Awesome.
Wish you guys were closer. I'd take you out to lunch every day.